Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a review on Modelones gel nail polish. So they were really kind enough to send me this pretty box and show you guys their gorgeous colors. So this is the back side of the box and it contains 7 colors. And the name of the collection is called Glitter Party. So once you open the box, the first thing you will see the directions, how to use it. And here are all the 7 bottles. I just love the packaging of the bottle. It's white and the cap is wooden, and each bottle contains 10 ml of the product, and the colors you will see on the side of the bottle. So let's start with the first bottle here, and it's called Diamond Rain. It's a really pretty silver glitter polish and it has a really tiny silver glitters in them. So here I'm applying a first coat of this polish. As I can notice, you can apply this over any color. It can be a great topper over any color you may want, and cure it for 30 seconds. Here I'm applying a second coat of silver polish and cure it for 30 seconds. So here's the swatch of this gorgeous color and it looks so beautiful. The next one I have here is called Shiny Pearl. It's a beautiful dusty rose metallic shade with the tiny shimmers. Here's the final swatch of Shiny Pearl and it gives me the feeling of chrome polishes, and it's such a gorgeous color. I can wear this like every day. The next one I have here is called Golden High Heel and I just love this name. It's a perfect golden gel polish and this one got tiny gold glitters in them. It can be used as a topper over any color you may want, or you can just wear it on its own. So here's the final swatch of this golden polish and I just love how it looks. You can also wear it on an accent nail and it will complement with any color. So the next one I have here is called Purple Ring and it looks very similar to Shiny Pearl. It's also a metallic shade and it gives me the feeling of chrome polish. So here's the swatch of Purple Ring and it's a very light purple metallic shade polish, and this is something I can wear every day. So the next one I have here is called Glitter Night and it's a really pretty holographic glittery polish and it's got a dark purple undertone to it, so it's not completely black. So here's the final swatch of Glitter Night, and as you can see the glitters are so gorgeous and they're holographic, and I would wear this for an evening night out party. So the next I have here is called Pinky Drink and it's a beautiful fuchsia gel polish color with tiny pinky glitters in them. So here's the final swatch of Pinky Drink and with 2 coats it looks so gorgeous, and this is something I can wear all year round. So the last but not the least is called Magic Blue and it's a perfect blue gel polish I have seen with tiny blue glitters in them. So here's the final swatch of Magic Blue and it reminds me of snow days or winter. So guys, here are the swatches of Glitter Party collection and I just love each one of them. They are so gorgeous individually And I do have a 10% off coupon code for you guys, and it's cherry 10, which you can use on your next purchase. The direct link of this collection is in my description box, so you can check it out, and don't forget to use the coupon code. And now it's time for the fun part, and it's the nail art. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So here I have already applied a base coat to all of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm applying a first coat of shiny pearl and cure it for 30 seconds. Then I'm applying a second coat and cure it again for 30 seconds. Next I'm taking a pinky drink polish and drawing a plaid design on it. And I'm drawing the design twice and cure it each for 30 seconds. Now with the toothpick, I'm adding a small golden dot, and this will complete my design. Finally, I'm applying a top coat and curing it for 60 seconds. So here's the final nail art, guys, and I just love how it turned out. It's really simple, and I just love these two colors together. So do let me know in the comments, guys, how do you like it, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already yet, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and till then I will see you next time. Bye.